Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate Ocean Debit Card. You can activate your Ocean Debit Card in a different step in 3 different methods. The first one is by using the online activation, which is pretty easy as well. Simply open a web browser of your choice and then type in oceanbank.com and search. Once you get to the official website for Ocean Bank, log into your account by entering your login credentials. In the right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see the sign-in area. Type in your username and password in the respective text boxes and make sure to type them in correct. If you don't have an online banking account yet for Ocean Bank, you'll first need to enroll. Click on the Enroll Now link and follow through the sign-up process. Once you have an online banking account for yourself, enter your username and password. After you are done, click on Sign In and sign into your account. After signing in, navigate to the section dedicated to managing your debit card or account settings and tap on Activate Debit Card. Follow through the on-screen prompts to input your card details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. After submitting the request, your Ocean Debit Card will be activated. Another way to activate your debit card is by calling on the toll-free number of Ocean Bank. The toll-free number will be available at the top left of your screen. Go ahead and make a phone call on the particular number and follow through the instructions provided to you. Similarly, another method is by visiting the nearest ATM machine. Go visit any Ocean Bank's ATM nearest to you and insert your debit card into the ATM card slot. Follow the instructions and your debit card should be activated that way as well. So those were some of the methods you can use in order to activate your Ocean Debit Card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.